Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a mixed fruit jam. No added color, no preservatives. This jam has beautiful color and it is yummylicious. The ingredient list is at the end of the video. If you like my video, please do consider to like and subscribe. You can keep this jam in a room temperature for 2 to 3 months or keep it in a refrigerator. It will last for more than 6 months. You can take the fruits of your choice. Here I have taken 300 grams of black grapes seedless and 2 apples, one is green and red, and 300 grams of pineapple and 200 grams of strawberries. The black grapes will give you that beautiful color for the jam. 600 grams of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, lemon and cardamom powder. Peel the skin of an apple and cut this apple into cubes. Blend all the fruits into a juice one by one. Beat the grapes in a blender. This grape juice will give you the beautiful dark color for the jam. Pour the juice into a pan and keep little juice in a blender because when you add a cut fruit, the juice will help the fruit to blend easily. Follow this method to blend all the fruits. At last, I am adding cut pineapple into a strawberry juice. Now add this pineapple juice into a pan. Check out the natural color the fruits have. It looks so colorful and bright. Add 600 grams of sugar. And mix well. Add 1 stick of cinnamon and remember to remove it at the end. Juice starts to boil. When jam starts to become thick, foaming will stop and you will see a clear jam. Add cardamom powder, slightly more than ¼ teaspoon. Frequently stir the jam. It's better to use the bottom heavy pan. This will avoid the jam to burn out. After 10 to 15 minutes, check the consistency of the jam. Here the jam has the thickness but still it flows. This is not the right consistency. Continue heating the jam for 5 minutes to get the right consistency as shown in the video. The jam will not flow and it holds like a jelly. This is the perfect consistency. Switch off the flame. Let the jam cools down and remove the cinnamon stick from the jam. Now taste the jam. Here the jam has perfect sweetness with a hint of sourness. So I'm not adding lemon juice, but if your jam tastes too sweet, add lemon juice at the end.